video, we're gonna be reviewing a Mustang Fox Body, and it belongs to my cousin, so he's going to be cool enough to let me review it, and hopefully you guys enjoy the review. Everyone, and welcome back. We're just gonna drive it around and see what's up. And man, you know, we're gonna go ahead and drive it around for a little bit. It's not fully tuned, you know, it still needs a little bit here and there, but you know, we're gonna go ahead and drive it around for the vlog.
And we say bye-bye.
Chingos de dirt.
Did you see? It went sideways. Se miraba que se le iba a ir. It went like that, hardcore.
You almost killed me. I have kids, guys. Come on. Every single time I get into these situations, man. I mean, I got kids. No, but we're gonna film again. But I'm missing my GoPro, so we're gonna get a little bit of a in cabin view. So, I mean, this thing pulls, man. The car's very fast, guys, and it doesn't grip. It was sliding all through all gears. You could feel this thing. We're basically felt like we were on ice. So stay tuned for this upcoming video, guys.
The chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I learned to crush obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe, Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.